In this video, we're going to be showing you how to apply your Sojitek MacBook skin in a few easy steps. You will need your Sojitek MacBook skin and a blow dryer. Before you begin, make sure you thoroughly clean and wipe down your MacBook, getting rid of all dust particles and debris. Make sure you peel off the pre-cut Apple logo from the skin. Peel back the sticker a quarter of the way and fold it. Line the skin to the corners of the MacBook horizontally, making sure it is straight along the edge. Make sure not to stretch the skin. After it is aligned, slowly peel back the sticker. Apply pressure. Use the blow dryer to heat the corners of the MacBook. Once heated, apply pressure. To install the bottom piece, peel back the sticker a quarter of the way and fold it. Align the holes of the skin with the holes on the MacBook. After alignment, slowly peel back the sticker. Apply pressure. Use the blow dryer to heat the corners of the MacBook. Once heated, apply pressure. Next, inside the MacBook, align the top piece to the corners above the touch bar. Once aligned, apply pressure. For the trackpad area, peel back the sticker a quarter of the way and fold it. Line the skin to the bottom corner and make sure it is straight across the edge. Make sure not to stretch the skin. When it is aligned, slowly peel back the sticker. Apply pressure. Thank you for watching. You can find this skin along with other designs by searching Sojitek MacBook Vinyl on Amazon.com.